Is it the right time to buy or sell shares of Intel? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 16, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 10 days, Intel has exceeded our expectations, delivering a gain of 13.66% since our initial recommendation to buy. This means the stock has generated an average return of 1.37% per day since it was categorized as hold/accumulate. When our system assigns a score of 0, it indicates that we anticipate high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a weak upward trend and is now showing an even stronger rate of rising. This indicates a potentially positive outlook for the stock. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $41.50. This could provide a second chance to make a profitable trade. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $49.64, which could act as a resistance level that might not be broken immediately. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.49% change expected over the next 3 months. The stock's return during this period could range between -15.73% and 4.83%. The 12-month trend suggests a 36.19% change over the next year, with a potential return between 2.64% and 28.77%. This means that the stock price could range from $44.50 to $55.82 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings good news, a very strong day for Intel stock price on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 16, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a significant gain of 6.75%. It surged from $40.61 to $43.35, marking 3 consecutive days of growth. We are eager to see if this positive trend will continue or if there might be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 6.31%, reaching a low of $40.82 and a high of $43.40. Looking at the broader picture, the stock price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has seen a remarkable increase of 14.99% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume also rose on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. In fact, there were 41 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 86 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Intel stock was $43.40, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price is 0.1% or $0.0450 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 37.44% or $25.94 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded their rating for Intel to buy. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded their rating for Intel to buy. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Intel an underperform rating and recommended holding the stock. In contrast, HSBC upgraded their rating for Intel to hold on the same day. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS rated Intel as neutral and advised holding the stock. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. I have identified some important signals for Intel stock. The stock has received buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Support can be expected at $39.45 and $36.67 in case of downward corrections. However, if the stock drops below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 33.3%. This suggests that there is potential for further growth until a new top pivot is reached. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume of trading is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe. Short moving average, there is a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, there is a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 161 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to the downside, Intel's stock has some key support levels to consider. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $38.86 and $35.69. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Intel finds support just below today's level at $38.86. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $35.69 and $35.54. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with Intel stock. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock moved $2.57 between its high and low, which accounts for a 6.31% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.25%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Intel, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.420. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll dive into potential day trading levels for Intel, so let's get started. When analyzing the stock, we notice there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, Intel could experience a swift upward movement. Keep an eye on volume as it may guide your exit strategy once you enter a position. Now, let's discuss the downside. Intel encounters its first support level at $38.86. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the near future. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received an average buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, purchased 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, sold 3,224 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, David Zinsner, an insider, sold 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, purchased 6,779 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, an insider, sold 3,362 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated as negative with a ratio of -31.119. In total, insiders have purchased 40,002,475 shares and sold 77,273,765 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $41.91 with a decrease of 3.32%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 84, which significantly increases the risk involved. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While Intel holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be seen as a hold candidate, allowing for potential growth in the future. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Intel is overvalued. For trading on Friday, November 17th, we anticipate Intel to open down by 83 cents, starting at $42.52. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. We're here to provide information, but please remember that your investment choices are your own responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. And hey, if you like what you see, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading day. Thank you for being here, and have a beautiful day from all of us at Stock Invest.